For non-standard spacings, I'm using the site trim nogging, which can be cut to length to suit the spacing. To complete the process, I need to attach a connector to the site trim noggin. To do this, I'm using the guide tool. Insert the connector into the guide tool and use the tool to align the connector with the noggin. Use a timber block to protect the existing connector. Use the guide tool to align the new connector with the end of the noggin and drive in place with a hammer. Using a hammer, fold the edges of the connector carefully around the noggin. This completes the application of the connector. The site trim noggin can now be installed.